and the
Kinilaw.
Wow, kinilaw. We have here kinilaw.
What in English?
Ceviche. We have tuna ceviche.
Wow,
Wow.
tuna ceviche.
Wala na yung plato.
Ngayon, may guys, wala may plato. Wala sila yung plato, dawa. Ako na Karam lang may nakabalo sa English. Sa kinilaw.
I'm on my way to my friend's house because I'm going to cook for her. This dish is very famous in Thailand. Let's go. Let's call my friend to open the gate. Let's see if she's still sleeping or if she's already awake. Yes, I'm outside.
Huh?
I'm outside.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So here, let's go inside.
Ah, sige. Ano yung ano? Sige.
Another is?
Oh, ito na. Bugtong ka nag-storya ka mo. Sabel.
Here now at my friend's kitchen and we are going to cook today. Oh, she's cooking but I'm going to cook for her also. It's a special dish from Thailand.
Hi!
Sa'yo to mo diya ba?
Chicken adobo.
Chicken adobo. That's chicken adobo. And there's also
Tuna.
tuna.
And
What's that?
I make chicken skin.
Chicken skin.
Yes,
Crispy chicken skin.
And the next one
Is this
for
one?
your
Dish.
yes.
Okay. She will clean, but I will cook.
Yeah.
She will clean this one first.
For-
We have to remove this one, no? Anak, di ba ba?
The white color.
Gusto nimo para mas linis
Yeah.
na dali. Ano?
I know how to remove. I'm the master of this. You see? It's easy.
And we will get lemongrass from her garden. Kapil na lang na siya sa isa. Kung di ni mo makuan, kanay dring
Ay,
apart
dili
sabay.
na.
Ha?
Oh, good.
Naa siya?
Oh. See? Yan na siya yung ribs.
When I'm back in Chicago, if I let you go, I will never know what my life could be, holding you close to me.
Like this one. Yes. Good job. If you don't want to eat, you go home. No problem. No like go home restaurants.
We need onion.
Onion. Murag ako man magluto o ikaw?
Dili, ako yung magluto. Kailangan lang na sugod.
Dili ka mag-reclam siya, ang chef, tapos ikaw ang assistant. So, dapat
Di ba ang
you
sa
do.
imong, di
You
ba,
do
di ba
all
sa imong visa kay sous chef?
Oh.
Oh, sous chef. Ako na.
Chef.
Ako man ang chef. Ikaw ang sous chef. Ang sous chef tigsunod sa chef. Sous chef kay imong visa.
Bring me, ano, so.
Where's the onion?
Oh.
The garlic?
So,
Onion.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Brother, let's get lemongrass.
Okay.
To my backyard.
Ulandong?
Oh, landing.
We'll get some lemongrass from the garden.
So this is the fresh lemongrass here. Taghanon.
Pwede mga duha ka ko ano.
Dua ka pungpong.
Adong ay makakuha makadungag pa ka
Oh,
kamay.
makadungag pa ta. Tanggalin lang natin yung mga patay pa.
Okay na na.
Na.
Green ang kanang kailangan nato kanayahang kuan.
Yang kalindre.
Oo. Kay naman gud ang lasa.
Let's prepare daw.
Onion. Ginger. Nidaot ang ano ba? Sakto lang tanggalon ang kuan.
Napagadagan.
Okay ra. Garlic. Lemongrass. Lemongrass, onion, ginger, garlic. Unsa? Wait,
Mga prayer.
so I'm going to make the sauce. I have here coriander, Thai chili. Grabe ba? Wala di siya kahula. Oh.
Klase mo itlog.
Wow. Grabe ko pa niya. Dinuguan. Uy. What I prepare for my friend. This one is pork ribs, chicken adobo. One is leftover lechon, no? And crispy chicken skin. And of course, rice is live. Wala na yung plato.
Mangaon mi guys, wala mi plato. Wala sila plato dawa. Ako na Okay. O diba? Sana guys. Let's eat.
We have here pork ribs. This is Thai recipe. This is chicken
adobo.
chicken adobo.
And this is
Leftover lechon.
Lechon.
Oh wait, we have
lechon and
Kinilaw.
we have here kinilaw.
What in English?
Ceviche. We have tuna ceviche.
wow,
Wow.
ceviche.
And chicken skin. Dali, dali.
Chicken skin.
A visitor from Mindanao,
Philippines.
Philippines.
We have a special guest here.
I will sit here, please.
The tuna is from Jensen, fresh from Jensen.
Karam lang may nakabalo sa English. Sa Kinilaw.
Here.
Ceviche.
No, let's eat. The
Kita
first
social
one is... This one. Ay, nakamusin na. Ay, gali.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers! Yay! Ah.
Sure.
Thank you, bye. Namiss na ako ni kayo mga kuan.
Spicy.
Spicy? No! Kang-kang naman gali.
Sorry guys, wala yung stock ang tissue.
Lah.
Kumukulit mo. Pull sa... Ano ba? Melt to your mouth.
Then first, ano?
Ceviche.
Ceviche.
Cabiche.
Ano siya yung ceviche?
Ceviche.
Ceviche. Mm.
Come na, guys.
Sige na.
Kaon na may. Among mga audience, pakauno na namo. Kay,
Yes.
dalaway na ilang.
Ang mga
Ang
audience.
ilang pananaw sa buwa, murang mga unang tao.
Nalawan ko ito nga. Ang audience magkaon na.
Kaon na mo mga audience.
Adobo.
You want try?
Pinamot lang ko kayo.
Wala na hapon. Talo ko na tuloy. Oh.
Gabi ni Bill.
Yes.
Maglamin ni Bill, boy.
Wala immigration nga. Last batch na nila. Makuyapan na si Dindin at si Kathleen.
Kung ano ito yung baboy. Sa mahalan sa sibuyas. 600 ang kilo na.
Nice. Nice yan ba?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sipot sarap ang rib. Yalan go home. Yalan go home restaurant is done. Bye, see you next time.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Welcome to my vlog. Ako mag-vlog na.
I'm on my way to Thailand. So why did I say Thailand? Shoot. Kailangan ako ang pressure cooker ha, ni Guman.
Oh, pakuha ka mo yung